Mao. Welcome to Lesson 7. You know what today is? It's review day, testing day, practice day. But do not worry, this is not a scary test. This is a checkup, like going to the doctor, but less annoying. We're checking what you remember, what stuck, what needs more practice. Here's the truth. Learning a language is not about watching videos. It's about remembering what you learned, using what you learned, practicing what you learned. So today, we review everything from lessons 1 through 6, the alphabet, greetings, asking for help, polite words, numbers, and then we set new goals for part 2 because you're ready for more. Let's see what you remember. Remember lesson 1? You wrote down goals, big goal and small goals. Quick question, did you do your small goals? Did you practice every day? Even a little? Be honest. I won't judge. I am Kat. I sleep 16 hours a day. I get it. If you did practice, excellent. You're going to do great on this review. If you didn't practice much, that's okay. This review will help. But here is the thing. From today forward, you need to practice. Even 5 minutes a day. Deal? Okay. Let's review. First, the alphabet. Do you remember all 26 letters? Let's find out. I will say them slowly. You say them with me. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good. Now let's go faster. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Quick test. Can you spell these words? Say the letters out loud. Cat. You say C-A-T. Dog. You say D-O-G. Yes. You say Y-E-S. Name. You say N-A-M-E. Perfect. You remember the alphabet. Alphabet. Complete. Next, greetings. Can you introduce yourself? Let's practice. I will greet you. You respond. Ready? Hello. How are you? You should say, hello. I am fine. Thank you. And you? Or, hi. I am good. Thanks. How are you? I am great. What's your name? You should say, my name is your name. What's your name? Or, I am your name. Nice to meet you. My name is Professor Whiskers. Nice to meet you. You should say, nice to meet you too. Excellent. Quick test. How do you greet someone at different times? Morning? You say, good morning. Afternoon? You say, good afternoon. Evening? You say, good evening. When you're leaving at night, you say, good night. Perfect. You remember greetings. Greetings and introductions. Complete. Now, the important phrases, the phrases you use when you're confused. I will give you a situation. You tell me what to say. Situation 1. Someone speaks too fast. What do you say? You should say, could you speak more slowly, please? Or, slowly, please. Situation 2. You did not understand something. What do you say? You should say, I do not understand. Or, sorry, I do not understand. Situation 3. You need someone to say it again. What do you say? You should say, could you repeat that, please? Or, repeat, please. Situation 4. You do not know what a word means. What do you say? You should say, what does that mean? Or, what does word mean? Excellent. You remember how to ask for help. Asking for help. Complete. Now, the magic words, the polite words. Quick fire round. I will give you a situation. You give me the polite word. Fast. Someone offers you water. You want it. What do you say? Answer, yes, please. Someone offers you fish. You do not want it. Crazy, I know. What do you say? Answer. No, thank you. You want someone to help you. How do you ask? Answer. Please help me. Or, could you help me, please? Someone gives you a gift. What do you say? Answer. Thank you. Or, thank you very much. Someone says, thank you to you. What do you say back? Answer. You are welcome. Or no problem. Perfect. You are so polite. Polite words. Complete. Last review. Numbers. Let us see if you remember. Count with me from 1 to 20. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Now backwards for 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quick test. Random numbers. Say these after me. 7, 15, 20, 3, 12, 18. Now practical use. Fill in the blank. I am years old. Say your age. I see cats. Pick a number. That costs dollars. Pick a number. Excellent. You remember your numbers. Numbers 120. Complete now. Let us put it all together. One full conversation using everything you learned. I will be person 1. You be person 2. Ready? Person 1. Good morning. You say. Good morning. Person 1. How are you today? You say. I am fine. Thank you. And you? Person 1. I am great. What is your name? You say. My name is. Your name. What is your name? Person 1. I am Sarah. Nice to meet you. You say. Nice to meet you too. Person 1. How old are you? You say. I am number years old. Person 1. Do you want some coffee or tea? You say. Sorry, could you repeat that slowly, please? Person 1. Do you want coffee or tea? You say. Yes, please. Coffee, please. Thank you. Person 1. You are welcome. Here you go. You say. Thank you very much. Perfect. That was a complete conversation using everything from part 1. Full conversation. Complete. Okay. Real talk time. Remember your small goals from lesson 1? Let us check. Did you watch one lesson per day? If yes, you are here. Well done. Did you practice every day? Even a little? If yes, excellent. If no, that is why we review. Did you speak English out loud? This is important. You cannot learn a language just by listening. You have to speak. Here is the thing. The students who practice get better fast. The students who just watch videos, they do not improve much. So, moving forward into part 2, I need you to commit, not just watch, but practice. Can you do that? Good. Let us set new goals. Part 2 is called Foundations, Most Common Words. You're going to learn the words English speakers use every single day. Words like I, you, he, she, we, they, have, do, go, want, need, this, that, here, there, and, but, or, because. These words are power. With these words, You can say so much. So let us set SMART goals for Part 2. Goal 1. Specific and measurable. I will watch lessons 720, that is 14 lessons. Goal 2. Time-based. I will complete Part 2 in weeks. You decide. 2 weeks? 3 weeks? Be realistic. Goal 3. Practice. Goal. I will practice speaking English 4 minutes every day. Even 5 minutes counts. Goal 4. Real-world goal. I will use one new English word in real life for every day. Write these down. Seriously. Get paper. Write them. Your turn. Pause this video. Write your Part Q goals right now. Good. So what is coming? Lessons 820 will teach you personal pronouns. I, you, he, she. Common verbs have, be, do, go, want, like. Basic adjectives big, small, good, bad, hot, cold. Question words what, where, when, who, why, how. Connecting words and, but, or, because. These are the building blocks. With these words, you can start making real sentences, real conversations. Part 1 was foundation. Part 2 is where we build. Look how far you have come. 6 lessons ago, started at 0. Now you can. Say the alphabet, greet people, introduce yourself, ask for help, be polite, count to 20. That is real progress. That is real English. You should be proud. I am proud of you. But do not stop now. Part 2 is where it gets really interesting, where you start building sentences, where you start actually talking. So rest today if you need to, but tomorrow, back to work, back to learning, back to practicing. The street cat believes in you. Now you need to believe in yourself. See you in Lesson 8. Meow.